Hello friends, in this video I am solving the transportation problem by using northwest corner method. Northwest corner method derives its name from the fact that initial allocation of resources is started from the northwest corner of the matrix. Here this is the matrix. There are three factories F1, F2 and F3 and four stores S1, S2, S3 and S4. Demand of store 1 is 20, store 2 is 30, store 3 is 50 and store 4 is also 50. Now the supply by factory 1 is 40, factory 2 is 60 and factory 3 is 50. It is the balanced transportation problem. Now in this method we are ignoring other things, that is cost, and simply considering the factory capacity and store's requirement. The minimum of the two is placed in northwest corner. So now we decide the northwest corner. Here you see that the northwest corner is denoted by the yellow color, and now in this matrix the northwest corner is the value 4. So first of all we allocate for the cost value 4. So the value of supply and demand corresponding to value 4 is 40 and 20. The minimum of the two is 20, so we allocate 20 here. Now the remaining demand at store 1 is 0 and the supply at factory 1 is still 20 remaining. Now we cut factory 2 and factory 3 supply to store 1 because there is no more demand left. Now we move towards another northwest corner, and this is cost value 6. So we fill here the list of the two, that is 20 or 30. So we fill here 20 and the remaining left at store 2 is 10, and now factory 1 cannot supply goods to any other store, so we cut the other cost value. Now we move towards the next northwest corner, and here it is cost value 8. So we fill the list value of the two, demand or supply. So here it is 10, so we fill here 10, cut the demand value and the supply value. So the remaining that factory 2 can supply is 50 and store 2 demand is fulfilled, so we cut the cost value 7. Now move towards the next northwest corner, and here it is cost value 6. So we allocate 50 because here both demand and supply value is 50. So there is no demand left at store 3, and factory 2 supply is also complete, so we cut the remaining two value here, and now there is only one block left, and that is the most southeast corner in this matrix, and here we fill the remaining 50, and now we allocate all the values here. So we calculate the total cost. Total cost here is 4 into 20 plus 6 into 20 plus 8 into 10 plus 6 into 50 plus 8 into 50, and the value is 980. Here you can see that this value is higher than what we get in list cost method and in Vogel approximate method, because this method is not considering the cost value. Here we just move from northwest corner to southeast corner without considering the cost value. Even if you change the position of factory 2 and factory 3, that is interchanging their position, you will get another value, maybe higher or lower. I think in this case you will get lower value, but this is the method of solving transportation problem by using northwest corner method. Thank you.